my name is Sureya. I'm a Turkish dancer, choreographer and instructor based in London, UK, and I'm so excited to be teaching next month and performing for the Mojo Flow online festival organised by Lynn Chapman. I'm actually going to be teaching a Turkish Romany workshop during the afternoon, so if you're free, do come along, or if you're curious about the style, it's definitely recommended. We're going to be going through the rhythm, trying to get a feel of it, as well as some steps and references to the history and culture, and as well as that, we will have a short Q&A session at the end of the class. So really recommended if you're interested in this style. It doesn't matter if you've got experience with it or if you are completely new to it. I know it's something that isn't often taught. It is taught, but not as often as many other styles. So do come along if you're free, and come and support the show, because there is an amazing lineup of artists and teachers who will be performing during the evening for the event. If you have any questions, do get in touch or contact Lynn. All the details can be found with this post, and I can't wait to see you soon next month. Lots of love. October the 10th. Saturday in the afternoon is my workshop, but there are other workshops that are going to be running throughout the day, and the show will be in the evening. And we very much look forward to seeing you soon.